Hi guys, greetings. From today I am going to start a session on seated paper 2 language 1 English which has already asked in July 2024. So if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon where you will get the notification on time. So let's start the POQs of seated paper 2 language 1 English. And the first question is, here is the passage. Read the passage given below and answer questions 91 to 99. Passage is, on 15 January 2009, several interesting things happened. A plane crash landed into the Hudson River right in the middle of New York City. The pilot, crew and 155 passengers escaped safely. But then something else happened. Jim was nearby and watched the event happen. He immediately tweeted that he had just seen a plane crash in the Hudson. From there, the news spread quickly. People contacted him immediately and asked him what was happening, and other people on the street took photos and videos with their phones and posted them online. Ordinary people suddenly became journalists. It was 15 minutes before the news broken on official news channels. 15 जनवरी 2009 को कई रोचक घटनाएं घटी। न्यूयॉर्क सिटी के ठीक बीचों बीच हडसन नदी में एक विमान दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया। पायलट, चालक दल और 155 यात्री सुरक्षित बच गए, लेकिन फिर कुछ और हुआ। जिम पास ही था और उसने यह घटना अपनी आंखों से देखी। उसने तुरंत ट्वीट किया कि उसने अभी अभी हडसन नदी में एक विमान दुर्घटना देखी है। वहां से खबर तेजी से फैल गई। लोगों ने तुरंत उससे संपर्क किया और पूछा कि क्या हो रहा है, और सड़क पर मौजूद अन्य लोगों ने अपने फ़ोन से तस्वीरें और वीडियो लिए और उन्हें ऑनलाइन पोस्ट कर दिया। आम लोग अचानक पत्रकार बन गए। आधिकारिक समाचार चैनलों पर खबर आने में 15 मिनट का समय लगा। नेक्स्ट पैसेज नंबर 2 है, फोटोज, वीडियोज एंड ट्वीट्स from ordinary people are the scene of dramatic events now provide the words and images that describe events in the news. When a meteor exploded over a Russian city in 2013, millions of people around the world watched videos and photos of the event on Facebook and YouTube. Social media can also save lives. In January 2010, an earthquake hit the Caribbean island on Haiti. The government said that there had been an earthquake, but they did not give many details at first. Meanwhile, people living in the disaster were posting photos and eyewitness accounts on Twitter and Facebook and telling the world that it was an emergency and houses were collapsing. A local radio presenter used this information to help people find family members, and people even phoned his program to ask if their relatives were safe. तो दूसरा पैसेज दिया गया है, नाटकीय घटनाओं के घटनास्थल पर मौजूद आम लोगों द्वारा ली गई तस्वीरें, वीडियो और ट्वीट अब समाचारों में घटनाओं का वर्णन करने वाले शब्द और चित्र प्रदान करते हैं। जब 2013 में एक रूसी शहर के ऊपर एक उल्का पिंड फटा तो दुनिया भर के लोगों ने फेसबुक और यूट्यूब पर घटना की वीडियो और तस्वीरें देखी। सोशल मीडिया जीवन भी बचा सकता है। जनवरी 2010 में कैरिबियन द्वीप हैती में भूकंप आया। सरकार ने भूकंप की घोषणा तो की, लेकिन शुरुआत में उन्होंने ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं दी। इस बीच आपदाग्रस्त क्षेत्र में रहने वाले लोग ट्विटर और फेसबुक पर तस्वीरें और प्रत्यक्षदर्शी विवरण साझा कर रहे थे और दुनिया को बता रहे थे कि यह एक आपातकालीन स्थिति है और घर ढह रहे हैं। एक स्थानीय रेडियो प्रस्तोता ने इस जानकारी का उपयोग लोगों को अपने परिवार के सदस्यों को ढूंढने में मदद करने के लिए किया और लोग उनके कार्यक्रम में फ़ोन करके यह भी पूछ रहे थे कि क्या उनके रिश्तेदार सुरक्षित हैं। नेक्स्ट पैसेज इज न्यूज़ travels fast on social media but false stories spread just as quickly as the truth. Some of these facts are erroneous, others are deliberate hoaxes. Hoaxes remind us that not everything people post and publish is reliable, but social media can change our lives for the better. अगला पैसेज दिया गया है, सोशल मीडिया पर खबरें तेज़ी से फैलती हैं लेकिन झूठी कहानियाँ भी उतनी ही तेज़ी से फैलती हैं जितनी कि सच। इनमें से कुछ तथ्य गलत होते हैं जबकि कुछ जानबूझकर फैलाई गई अफवाहें होती हैं। अफवाहें हमें याद दिलाती हैं कि लोग जो कुछ भी पोस्ट और प्रकाशित करते हैं वह विश्वसनीय नहीं होता, लेकिन सोशल मीडिया हमारे जीवन को बेहतर बना सकता है। और इसी पे आधारित क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, द meteor explosion in 2013 in Russia was watched by people on। उल्का पिंड जो फटा था 2013 में रशिया में, तो लोगों के द्वारा किस पे देखा गया था? पहला है ट्विटर, दूसरा यूट्यूब, तीसरा है ऑल सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स और लास्ट ऑप्शन है फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब। तो आपको इसका सही ऑप्शन बताना है और जो सही ऑप्शन है वह है, जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताएं आप लोग। इसका सही ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 4, फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब। द पैसेज क्लियरली स्टेट्स दैट millions of people watched the videos and photos of the meteor explosion on Facebook and YouTube. Next question is, some of these facts are erroneous। इसमें जो कुछ फैक्ट्स हैं वह इरोनियस हैं। द एंटोनिम फॉर द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड इज, आपको एंटोनिम बताना है। तो पहला ऑप्शन है फॉल्टलेस, दूसरा ऑप्शन है इनएक्यूरेट, तीसरा ऑप्शन है इनवैलिड और चौथा ऑप्शन है सरप्राइजिंग। और जो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा वह है एंटोनिम ऑफ इरोनियस, that is faultless। Erroneous means wrong or incorrect. Its antonyms is faultless, meaning correct or without mistakes. Next question is, why should we not take news on social media lightly? Why should we not take news on social media lightly? Tell me the answer of this question quickly. Comment in my comment box. Tell me what is this answer. And the answer is option 4. News posted are hoax and confusing. The passage says false stories and hoaxes spread quickly on social media. Therefore, all news cannot be trusted blindly. Next question is, arrange the following events in correct sequential order। जो इवेंट्स दिए गए हैं उसे सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में आपको लगाना है। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज जिम वॉच्ड द क्रैश एंड ट्वीटेड। सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज पीपल स्टार्टेड कॉन्टैक्टिंग जिम फॉर updated news. Third option is a plane crashed into the Hudson River. And the last option is the news of the crash was broadcast 15 minutes later. What is the answer of this question? Please comment quickly. And the right option is option number 4. Option number 4. First, the plane crashed. First, the plane crashed. Then Jim tweeted. Then people contacted him. And the news of the crash was broadcast 15 minutes later. Next question is, read the following statements. Read the following statements. And the statement is, statement first, a plane crashed on 15 January 2009. Second is 155 passengers escaped but the pilot lost his life. And the third is Jim, an onlooker, posted pictures on Facebook. What is the right option? Please tell me in my comment box quickly. And the right option is option number 3. A is correct, but B and C are incorrect. True हो जाएगा. Plane crash happened on 15 January 2009. False is pilot also survived. And C is also false. Jim tweeted he did not post pictures on Facebook. Next question is, complete the word analogy. Complete the word analogy. वर्ड एनालॉजी को कंप्लीट करना है. ड्रामेटिक, एक्साइटिंग, हॉक्स, what? So what is the right option of this question? Please tell me in my comment box. And the right option is option number 2, deception. Dramatic means exciting. Similarly, hoax means deception or fraud. Next question is, news on social media. News on social media. These are the 4 options. First option is are reliable. Second is travel fast. Third is are deliberated hoaxes. And the last is are insignificant. So what is the right option of this question? Tell me quickly. And the right answer is option number 2, travel fast. The passage clearly says news travels fast on social media. Next question is, identify the parts of a speech of the underlined words. Identify the parts of a speech of the underlined words. But social media can change our lives for the better. These are the 4 options, and the first option is noun, adverb, second verb, adjective, third verb, adverb, and the fourth noun, adjective. What is the right answer of this question? And the right option is option number 3, verb adverb. Change is a verb, better describes how lives become improved, so it works as an adverb here. Next question is ordinary people suddenly became journalists means. First option, they started posting new bits, pictures and videos on social media. Second, they headed towards media houses to seek employment. Third, they started contacting gym to know the details. Fourth, they left the jobs where they were employed. What is the right option of this question? Tell me in my comment box. And the right option is option number 1. They started posting new bits, pictures and videos on social media. Ordinary people started sharing news, photos and videos online like journalists. Next question is read the poem given below and answer questions 100 to 105. Poem: Great wide beautiful wonderful world, with the wonderful water round you curled, and the wonderful grass upon your breast. World, you are beautifully dressed. The wonderful air is over me, and the wonderful wind is shaking the tree. It walks on the water and whirls the mills and talks to itself on the tops of the hills. You friendly earth, how far do you go? With the wheat fields that nod and the rivers that flow, with cities and gardens and cliffs and islets and people upon you for thousands of miles. Ah, you are so great and I am so small. I tremble to think of you world at all. And yet, when I said my prayers today, a whisper inside me seemed to say, you are more than the earth, though you are such a dot, you can love and think, and the earth cannot. ये पोयम दिया गया है और इस पे आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं जिसका आंसर आपको देना है. पोयम जो दिया गया है उसमें बताया गया है महान विशाल सुंदर अद्भुत संसार तुम्हारे चारों ओर अद्भुत जल लिपटा है और तुम्हारी छाती पर अद्भुत घास है. संसार तुम सुंदर ढंग से सजी हो. मेरे ऊपर अद्भुत हवा है और अद्भुत हवा पेड़ों को हिला रही है. यह पानी पर चलती है, चक्कियों को घुमाती है और पहाड़ियों की चोटियों पर खुद से बातें करती है मित्रवत पृथ्वी तुम कितनी दूर तक फैली हो गेहूं के खेतों के लहराने और नदियों के बहने के साथ, शहरों बगीचों चट्टानों और द्वीपों के साथ और हजारों मील तक तुम बसे लोगों के साथ. आह तुम कितनी महान हो और मैं कितना छोटा. तुम्हारे बारे में सोचकर ही मैं कांप उठता हूँ संसार. और फिर भी जब मैं आज प्रार्थना करता हूँ मेरे भीतर एक फुसफुसाहट सुनाई दी. तुम पृथ्वी से कहीं अधिक हो, भले ही तुम एक बिंदु मात्र हो. तुम प्रेम कर सकती हो और सोच सकती हो और पृथ्वी नहीं. तो इस पे क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. पहला क्वेश्चन है What does the underlined word refer to? What does the underlined word refer to? It walks on the water. And the first option is air, second grass, third wind, and the fourth earth. What is the right answer of this option? Of this question? Tell me quickly. And the right answer is option number 3, wind. The pronoun it refers to the wind mentioned in the previous line. ईट शब्द पिछले वाक्य में आए विंड के लिए प्रयुक्त हुआ है. Second question is in the line with the wonderful water round you curled. The word curled means. Which is the right option? And the right option is option number 2, surrounded. The line means the earth is surrounded by water. यहाँ कर्ल्ड का अर्थ है चारों ओर से घिरा हुआ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इन दिस पोएम द पोएट डिस्क्राइब्स द here is the 4 options. First is earth, its present and past. Second, plants that grow on earth. Third, beauty and vastness of earth. Fourth, life in the cities. So is the right option. And the right option is option number 3, beauty and vastness of the earth. The poem praises the beauty, greatness and vastness of the earth. Next question is the wind in the poem talks to. The wind in the poem talks to. First option is itself, second trees, third clouds, four hills. And the right option is option number 1, itself. Next question is identify the figures of a speech in line 1 and line 4. Identify the figures of speech in line 1 and line 4. Which is the right option? Tell me immediately, quickly. Tell me immediately in my comment box. And the right option is option number 3, alliteration personification. Alliteration personification. Great, wide, beautiful, wonderful world. This is alliteration. World, you are beautiful dressed. This is personification. Next question is list the 3 different things found on earth that make it great. Here is the 4 options. First is rivers, gardens, cliffs. Second, iceless oceans, people. Third, wheat fields, trees, whisper. And fourth, cities, grass, mills. So which is the right option? And the right option is option number 1, rivers, gardens, cliffs. These are directly mentioned in stanza. Stanza 3. Next question is The impact of tests and assessments on teachers, learners, and materials is called. The impact of tests and assessments on teachers, learners, and materials is called. And the right option is option number 2, Washback effect. Washback effect means the influence of testing on teaching and learning. परीक्षा का शिक्षण और अधिगम पर पड़ने वाला प्रभाव वाशबैक इफेक्ट कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्कूल शुड फॉलो एडिटिव bilingualism because it. First option is values that culture and language of the child. Second, gives importance to teaching English as a second language. Third, promotes the child's language but not the culture. Fourth, hinders the development of the first language. And the right option is option number 1, values the culture and language of the child. Next question is linguistic functions such as intonation, tones, stress, and rhythm are known as. First is poetry, second is prosody, second is phonetics, third is pragmatics. And the right option is option number 2. Option number 2, prosody. Prosody deals with stress, rhythm, and intonation in language. प्रोसोडी भाषा के स्ट्रेस, रिदम और इंटोनेशन से संबंधित है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which statement is not true about language in India? First option is English is an associate official language. Second, there are 22 languages in the 8th schedule. Third, Sanskrit is a modern Indian language. And fourth, Hindi is the lingua franca of the Indian subcontinent. And the right option is option number 3. Sanskrit is a modern Indian language. Sanskrit is an ancient classical language, not a modern language. Next question is in a language class, students form groups and present an advertisement on a given topic. This learning is called. These are the 4 options, and the first is collaborative learning, second, competition and rivalry, second, language games, third, guidance and counseling. So is the right option. And the right option is option number 1, collaborative learning. Students work together in groups, so it is collaborative learning. Next question is a teacher gives a task to familiarize learners with vocabulary used in restaurants. The objective is. These are the 4 options, and the right option is option number 1, to acquaint the learner with lexical items. Vocabulary items are called lexical items. Next question is which school believed that language learning takes place through habit formation? Which school believed that language learning takes place through habit formation? These are the 4 options, and the first is functionalist second is behaviorist, third is cognitivist, and the fourth is interactionalist. So, is the right option? And the right option is option number 2, behaviorist. Behaviorists believe language learning occurs through habit formation and repetition. व्यवहारिक सिद्धांत के अनुसार भाषा अधिगम आदत निर्माण द्वारा होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टाइम एंड प्लेस ऑफ द स्टोरी आर कॉल्ड. द टाइम एंड प्लेस ऑफ द स्टोरी आर कॉल्ड. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज थीम, सेकेंड सेटिंग, थर्ड प्लॉट, एंड द फोर्थ क्लाइमैक्स. एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज option number 2, setting. Setting means the time and place where the story occurs. Next question is students acting as purchasers, property sellers, landlords, and tenants in an activity called. Students acting as purchasers, property sellers, landlords, and tenants is an activity called. First is role play, second drama, third acting class, and the fourth guidance. And the right option is option number 1, role play. Students act out real life situations, which is role play. Next question is a teacher brings newspapers, menu cards, and train tickets to class 5. She is. First option is using authentic materials to make learning realistic and useful. Second, helping students learn multiple languages. Third, teaching English through real life situations. Fourth, creating awareness in students. And the right option is option number 1, using authentic materials to make learning realistic and useful. Next question is which is not an important factor in planning a listening lesson. Which is not an important factor in planning a listening lesson. First is pausing the recording, second speed of delivery, third gender of speakers, fourth number of speakers. Which is the right option? Tell me in my comment box quickly. And the right option is option number 3, gender of speakers. Speed, pauses, and number of speakers matter, but gender does not. लिसनिंग लेसन में स्पीड, पॉज और स्पीकर्स की संख्या महत्वपूर्ण है, लेकिन जेंडर नहीं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज multilingualism in India intends teachers to understand. First option is communication happens and social cohesion is maintained. Second option is minority language should be clubbed with dominant language. Third option is a single language policy should be framed. Fourth option is language identify and culture are separate entities. Tell me quickly which is the right option. And the right option is option number 1, communication happens and social cohesion is maintained. Multilingualism helps communication and social harmony. बहुभाषिकता संचार और सामाजिक एकता बनाए रखने में सहायक है. Next question is which language skills are known as receptive skills. Which language skills are known as receptive skills? First option is listening and speaking, second speaking and writing, third reading and writing, and the fourth listening and reading. ये बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज इसका उत्तर दीजिए आप लोग फटाफट. And the right option is listening and reading. Receptive skills involve receiving information. रिसेप्टिव स्किल्स वे हैं जिनमें हम जानकारी ग्रहण करते हैं. लिसनिंग और रीडिंग दोनों में हम जानकारी ग्रहण करते हैं. अगला प्रश्न है लिसनिंग इन्वॉल्व्स. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज हियरिंग एंड डिकोडिंग साउंड्स, सेकेंड गेसिंग द कंटेंट, थर्ड यूजिंग प्रायर नॉलेज, फोर्थ रिकॉग्नाइजिंग साउंड्स एंड deducing meaning. So tell me what is the right option. And the right option is option number 4, recognizing sounds and deducing meaning. Listening means recognizing sounds and understanding meanings. लिसनिंग में ध्वनियों को पहचान कर अर्थ समझना शामिल होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द लैंग्वेज टीचिंग मेथड्स इन कॉलम 1 विथ कॉलम बी. कॉलम 1 कॉलम ए को कॉलम बी से मैच करना है. आपको बताना है इसमें कौन सा सही है. एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज option number 1. Option number A 1, A1, B4, B4, C3, A1, B4, C3 and D2. So the option number 1 is correct. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए आप लोगों को ये सेशन कैसा लगा, और हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर दीजिए जिससे आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.